too much.
Yep. Alright. You see those red roof towels?
Yeah,
houses?
the neighborhood there.
Yeah, turn that direction.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, let's make sure we're maintaining 1200 feet. So at that power, because you want to be cruising, you don't want to be going slow. Yep. There you go. Okay. Alright, you can see the airport over there? To the right?
No,
Open fuel?
Yeah.
Can't see it yet?
No.
Not that far.
Oh yeah, I see it, I think.
Alright, yeah.
The middle right there.
Yep, so you want to continue that way, because that's the right base?
Yep.
Alright. You haven't landed yet with the other truck, no?
Number 519 Juliet, runway 15, clear to land.
15, clear to land, 519 Juliet. Alright. So let's bring that to 1,000 feet.
1,000?
1,000 feet, yes sir. Yep. Just want to bring the nose down just slightly below the horizon. Looking outside, yep, nice and smooth, yep. And once you get to your altitude, what you want to do is just add that power back.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, so before landing checklist.
Seabacks, you both.
Yep.
Full rich.
Landing light on.
Landing, taxi. Taxi landing. Already both on.
Alright, so let's power down to about 1700 RPM. Yeah, right there. Let's put the flaps 10. The flaps 10. Alright. Let's bring that nose slightly down. Yep. Alright. So now that we're there. Yep. Nice. You want to add a touch of power? Just a touch. There you go. Alright. Is the airplane below 85 knots? Alright, you don't want to pitch down if you want to get it slow. What you want to do is take some power and just hold altitude till she gets lower than 85 and put flaps 20.
Flaps 20?
Yes sir. Yep. There you go. It's fine.
Good?
Yep. It's fine. Now you want to pitch the airplane down. You want to bring the airplane nose down, so forward. There you go. Alright. If I say my controls, you will just hand them to me, okay?
Yeah.
I'll try to let you land, but, you know, with the amount of knowledge, it's going to be pretty difficult.
Okay.
Alright, so come in. Yep, nice and smooth. Alright. Just like that, you're doing pretty good. Alright, just bring the nose down slightly. Yep. Flaps 30 degrees, please. There you go. Before landing checklist complete. Alright, so what you want to do is, you want to get the airspeed slowed down to about 65, 70 knots. And you want to pitch her down because you're high.
Way too high, yeah.
Yeah. So yep, just bring the power down. Yep, there you go. Hold about 70 knots. Once you get 2 and 2, you see the poppies over there?
Yep.
Right, once you get 2 and 2, just follow that. Very nice. So now you want to add that power back in. Add it. That power. There you go. Just like that. Yep, and we're gonna keep the runway inside. Yep. So yep, you wanna keep descending, and we got the runway, and I mean just before the 1,000 footers, okay? All right, bring the power a little bit back. Not all of it, just slightly back. Yep, there you go. Bring it more out. Bring it more out. More. Yep, more, all the way out now. And you wanna pitch down, and now you wanna flare. Flare. Oh, you go. That was a little bit hard, but you did a pretty good job, man.
Thank you.
Alright, very nice. All the way to Alpha 3.
Yeah.
Just don't brake, just keep going.
Let it go.
Number 5190 Juliet, you can continue Alpha 3 and ground point 7 off the runway.
Not that one, the other one.
Taxi via Alpha 3, 5190 Juliet.
Alright.
Pacific Tower, good evening, Bonanza 819 Lima Alpha, hold short of Alpha, or at Bravo, at 15 at Alpha.
Alright, you can stop here. Stop.
Number 819 Lima Alpha,
After
Pacific Tower, left turn out runway
after landing.
15, clear for takeoff.
Left turn out 15, clear for takeoff,
Right
819 Lima Alpha.
Throttle 1000 or less.
Yep, good.
Good. Transponder.
Yep.
Flaps up.
Alright.
Mixer lean.
Yep, that's good.
Elevator trim. Take off.
Put it back to takeoff. Yep. That says request, along the light off.
ACC already got.
Huh?
ATC clearance.
Yep, so. The ground says 590 Juliet, right taxi to Sunset.
5190 Juliet, Customer Sunset via Alpha.
Sunset via Alpha, 590 Juliet. He didn't clear us to go to Sunset. Did he say?
No, it's a taxi via Alpha.
No, he said take Alpha 3. So go ahead. No, the first one tower, when she said, he just said taxi
On to
to,
Alpha 3 and wait, right?
yeah, to Alpha 3, but that doesn't mean just go to Sunset. That means
Okay.
stop right there.
Is that jet an instructor one too or no?
To teach you? No,
Yeah,
that's
no,
not
it's-
ours.
Park there.
That's some person that he owns
Oh, and he's using it for
in
training.
his company. Yeah, he's using it
His
yeah,
own.
for training for himself, yeah. But
I hear it.
alright. Very nice. Like it, very slow and smooth. To the right, yep. Keeping that center line. You're just gonna go past that. And then we will stop. So you gotta go past it.
About here?
About right here. Alright, nice. Alright. Avionics. You wanna do securing the airplane checklist right here? Parking brake set, nope. Idle control.
Idle.
Yep. Electrical equipment off, that means lights and avionics.